Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 201 through 300.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Here's how we will practice.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Listen carefully.
Repeat the word after him.
Then listen to the sentence.
Repeat the sentence with me.
The more you listen,
The more confident your English will become.
are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 201.
Let's start learning.
Airport.
We are at the airport.
Airplane.
The airplane is flying.
Ticket.
I have my ticket.
Passport.
Show your passport.
Travel.
We love to travel.
Vacation.
Our vacation starts today.
Hotel.
We stay in a hotel.
Room.
My room is clean.
Key.
Here is your key.
Suitcase.
My suitcase is heavy.
Map.
I need a map.
Street.
This street is busy.
City.
I live in a big city.
Town.
It is a small town.
Village.
My grandparents live in a village.
Country.
America is a beautiful country.
Bridge.
We walk across the bridge.
River.
The river is long.
Lake.
The lake is calm.
Mountain.
The mountain is high.
Beach.
We play on the beach.
Ocean.
The ocean is blue.
Forest.
The forest is quiet.
Park.
The children play in the park.
Garden.
My mother has a garden.
Flower.
The flower smells nice.
Tree.
The tree is tall.
Grass.
The grass is green.
Leaf.
A leaf falls down.
Sky.
The sky is clear.
Cloud.
A white cloud is above us.
Rain.
The rain is falling.
Snow.
The snow is soft.
Wind.
The wind is strong.
Storm.
The storm is coming.
Season.
Spring is my favorite season.
Spring.
Flowers bloom in spring.
Summer.
Summer is very hot.
Autumn.
Leaves fall in autumn.
Winter.
Winter is cold.
North.
Canada is north of the U.S.
South.
Florida is in the south.
East.
The sun rises in the east.
West.
We drove to the west.
Direction.
Can you give me directions?
Left.
Turn left here.
Right.
Turn right at the light.
Straight.
Go straight ahead.
Corner.
The store is on the corner.
Traffic.
There is a lot of traffic.
Bicycle.
I ride my bicycle every day.
Motorcycle.
He has a motorcycle.
Bus.
The bus is late.
Train.
The train arrives soon.
Station.
Meet me at the station.
Taxi.
We take a taxi home.
Driver.
The driver is friendly.
Passenger.
Every passenger has a seat.
Road.
The road is long.
Highway.
Cars drive fast on the highway.
Trip.
We had a fun trip.
Journey.
The journey took 2 hours.
Visit.
We visit our grandparents.
Guest.
Our guest arrived early.
Welcome.
Welcome to our home.
Invite.
I want to invite my friend.
Meeting.
The meeting starts at 9.
Office.
She works in an office.
Company.
He works for a big company.
Worker.
The worker is busy.
Boss.
My boss is kind.
Customer.
The customer is happy.
Service.
The service is excellent.
Money.
I need more money.
Dollar.
This costs $1.
Coin.
I found a coin.
Wallet.
My wallet is black.
Pocket.
My keys are in my pocket.
Bill.
I paid the bill.
Price.
The price is fair.
cheap,
This shirt is cheap.
expensive,
That watch is expensive.
market,
We shop at the market.
store,
The store opens at 8.
supermarket,
We buy food at the supermarket.
shelf,
The books are on the shelf.
basket,
Put the apples in the basket.
cart,
Push the shopping cart.
choose,
Please choose one.
compare,
Compare the two prices.
favorite,
Blue is my favorite color.
popular,
This song is popular.
famous,
The city is famous.
special,
Today is a special day.
simple,
The question is simple.
difficult,
This lesson is difficult.
possible,
Everything is possible.
impossible,
That is impossible.
improve,
I want to improve my English.
practice.
Practice every day.
Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 3.
Goodbye and happy learning!